Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Tantri. Here I will convey the guidance program that I met. Educational aspect. The purpose of guidance and counseling relate to the counseling. Educational aspect is formulated as follows. 1. Have an awareness of self potential in the aspect of learning and understand the various obstacles that might arise in the learning process they experience. 2. Have a positive attitude and study habits. The habit of reading books, studying discipline, attention to all, listen and actively participate in all learning activities. 3. Have a high motivation for lifelong learning. 4. Have effective study skill or techniques, skill in reading books, using dictionaries, taking notes, and preparing for exam. 5. Have the skill to set goals and plan education, make study schedule, do assessment, establish themselves to define certain listen and try to obtain information about various things in developing broader insights. 6. Have mental readiness and able to face exam. Learning to learn is related to academic development, which includes the ability to make description, problem solving and setting goals, critical thinking, logical thinking, interpersonal communication skills. Guidance standard include learning situations that encourage students to enjoy learning. Student experience success experience including growing educational potential through effort and communication. To being productive at work. Academic development. 1. Students are able to develop personal qualities and contribute to being effective learners. 2. Students are able to develop strategies and high achievement in school. 3. Students are able to understand the relationship between life at school, home, community, and society and the world. The general purpose of tutoring is to help increase students' awareness to obtain and use appropriate learning information, develop a broad view of learning opportunities, increase understanding of the educational environment, and understand things that can affect the learning process. Its specific objects are 1. To help students become skilled in obtaining and utilizing educational information that can support their studies. 2. Taking advantage of learning opportunities to improve their learning achievement. 3. Adapting to the demands of the educational environment. 4. Having learning skill to support improving learning outcomes. 5. Directing oneself to avoid things that can hinder their studies. Tutoring is carried out using a group guidance approach and individual guidance, such as providing information using the lecture method, discussion, and giving brochures. Counselor coordinate with teacher to provide learning information. The coordination is carried out in the following ways. 1. The counselor writes a letter to the principal to provide materials to the teacher to be conveyed during class hour about how to learn effectively at school. The teacher will discuss with the counselor if he has difficulty understanding the material. The teacher who carries out learning information is adapted to each subject and class. 2. Counselor make learning information through the media by utilizing bulletin board. 3. Counselor make brochures containing learning information given to students and parents. The tutoring assessment process includes process assessment and result assessment. Process assessment include whether students already have the awareness to properly utilize educational facilities. Are students able to adapt to the environment? Are students able to solve the objects that interfere with their learning? While the assessment results include active students in participating in learning, 90% attendance in one semester. The assessment technique can be through tests, interview, or observation. The implementation of this assessment is carried out by the counselor. Continue evaluation result. Pretest 32% of students said school was very important to them. 48% of students said that they believe they would be able to complete their studies up to high school graduation. Post-test, 90% of students said school was very important to them. 86% said that they believe they would be able to complete their studies up to high school graduation. Continue activities. Lorna Martin 2005 suggests the school serve student and academic or educational development the following themes. 1. Metacognition, learn to think about thinking, critical thinking skills. 2. Learning style or learning styles and differing demands in learning, including students with special needs and ADHD. 3. Habits of thinking. 4. Problem-solving strategies. 5. Making connection between thinking skill and learning transfer. 6. Group work and sharing. 7. Identify and utilize library service center. 8. Learn to write a portfolio. 9. Utilizing web networks, internet research, or plagiarism. And 10. Positive behavior in learning, communication skills, strategies for asking for help. 11. Skills in conducting research skill. 12. Managing study time organizing skill with an agenda. 13. Study skills, strategies for doing homework or homework, preparing for exam, strategies for education, reducing frustration, and dealing with anxiety before exam. And then 14. Brainstorming, thinking aloud, and critical thinking. Thank you.